Ever pondered how internet reaches the most remote corners of our planet? Enter Starlink, a satellite network developed by SpaceX, the private spaceflight company, to provide low-cost internet to locations far and wide. The inception of Starlink traces back to the Vision of SpaceX, a company that has been pushing the boundaries of space exploration and technology. A Starlink satellite, designed to last approximately 5 years, is a part of this vision. SpaceX aspires to create a mega constellation of as many as 42,000 satellites. The current version of these satellites, known as V2 Starlink, weighs approximately 1,760 pounds at launch. That's almost 3 times heavier than the previous generation, which weighed in at 573 pounds. Fast forward to July 2023, and the Starlink constellation has grown to 4,519 satellites in orbit, with 4,487 of them operational. However, this ambitious project has not been without controversy. The sheer size and scale of the Starlink constellation have raised concerns among astronomers and spaceflight safety experts. The fear is that these bright, orbiting objects could interfere with observations of the universe and increase the risk of collision in Earth's orbit. There are also concerns about the potential environmental impact, as the deorbiting old satellites burn up in Earth's atmosphere. Despite these concerns, the Starlink satellites, orbiting approximately 342 miles above Earth, offer a spectacular sight. Visible to the naked eye, these satellites often appear as a string of pearls or a bright light train moving across the night sky. However, as they climb to their final orbital height, they become progressively harder to spot. Starlink's mission doesn't stop at providing internet. The company aims to offer global mobile phone service post-2023. With satellites launched as early as 2019, Starlink has already provided coverage to over 60 countries. To summarize, Starlink is an ambitious project by SpaceX to provide low-cost internet to remote locations using a constellation of satellites. While it has faced controversy due to its potential impact on astronomical observations and spaceflight safety, it continues to expand its services and aims for global mobile phone service in the near future. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, those bright lights moving in a line aren't just stars. They might just be Starlink satellites working to connect every corner of our planet.